I want to give you guys a quick review of these benches. We've had these benches, just picnic table benches, but they're really, really light and sturdy, and they fold up really compact. Fold that, push it in like that, and then it just folds up on itself. Storage, really easy storage. We put it in our RV, just tucked away in storage. Pull it out whenever we're camping. You can go in the back of a trunk, really easy, really flat, not very big. As you can see, let me show this right here. It's not big at all, but it fits 4 adults comfortably and a bunch of kids. So we use this every time, like I said, is our go-to camping. We've had it for a long time, probably about 5 years, and nothing breaks it. So very sturdy and very awesome. Highly, highly recommend.